Hello, brilliant learners! Today we are talking about something super practical, how to invite someone out in casual, everyday English. If you've ever felt unsure about how to make plans with friends or just want to sound more natural when you're inviting someone out, then stick around because I've got you covered. Let's get into it. All right. Let's start with some of the most common ways to invite someone out. These phrases are super casual and are perfect for when you want to sound like a native speaker. Hey, do you want to grab a coffee after work? Yeah, I'm up for it. Let's do it. Or, I'm actually tied up with work, but thanks for the invite. Are you free for lunch tomorrow? Sure, I'd love to. What time works for you? Or, I'd love to, but I'm busy tomorrow. Can we do another day? Fancy going out for drinks later? Sounds good. What time are you thinking? Or, thanks, but I've got plans tonight. Maybe another time? The word grab is a common verb that we use in English when talking about getting something quickly or casually. It makes the invitation sound more relaxed and friendly. Let's grab a bite to eat, meaning let's go eat something, usually in a casual or quick way. Do you want to grab a drink after work? Meaning, would you like to go for a drink together? Casually suggesting it. Why don't we grab a seat over there? Meaning, let's sit down over there, sounding more informal and easygoing. Next up, let's talk about checking if someone's available. These phrases are super flexible and can be used in almost any situation. Are you free this weekend? I'm not doing anything special. Did you have something in mind? Or, not this weekend. Unfortunately, I've got a lot going on. Got any plans for Friday? Nope, I'm free. Want to do something? Or, yeah, I've got a few things lined up. How about another day? What are you up to later? Not much, just relaxing. What's up? Or, I've got a few things I need to finish up, but thanks for asking. You'll notice that in English, we often drop the do you have and just say, got any plans? It's a quick and casual way to ask, and it's something you'll hear native speakers say all the time. You coming tonight instead of are you coming tonight? Need a hand instead of do you need a hand? Want to grab lunch instead of do you want to grab lunch? Seen my keys instead of have you seen my keys? Heading out instead of are you heading out? Once you know they're available, it's time to suggest an activity. These phrases are really useful for making plans, and I'll break down some of the common verbs we use. How about we hit the new sushi place? I'm up for it. When do you want to go? Or I'm trying to cut back on eating out this week, but thanks for the invite. Want to check out that movie tonight? I'm down. What time are you thinking? Or I'd love to, but I've got an early morning tomorrow. Maybe another night? Feel like going for a walk? I could use some fresh air. Let's go. Or I'm feeling a bit tired today, but I appreciate the offer. The word hit here doesn't mean physically hitting something. It means to go to a place, like hit the gym or hit the beach. These little differences can make your English sound much more natural. Let's hit the road, meaning let's leave or start a journey. I'm going to hit the sack, meaning I'm going to bed. We should hit the shops before they close, meaning we should go shopping. Let's hit the bar after work, meaning let's go to the bar. They're planning to hit the slopes this winter. They're planning to go skiing. The phrase could use is a common way to express that someone needs or would benefit from something. It's often used to indicate a desire for improvement or help, usually in a casual or conversational context. Here's how it works. Structure: could use plus noun or gerund. If you're not sure what a gerund is, I'll leave a link in the description to a video where I explain it in detail. I could use a break. I could use some coffee, meaning I need or would really enjoy having some coffee right now. She could use a hand with that project. She needs help with the project. They could use a little more time to finish, meaning they need more time to complete their work. He could use a good laugh, meaning he would benefit from something funny to lighten his mood. Now, sometimes you don't want to make plans directly, but you want to show that you're interested. These phrases are perfect for that. We should hang out sometime. Definitely, I'd love that. When are you free? Or, that sounds great, but I'm pretty busy lately. Let's touch base soon. Let's catch up soon. I'm in. Let's set a date. Or, thanks for the invite. I'm a bit swamped, but let's keep in touch. Maybe we could grab a bite to eat. Yes, let's do it. I've been craving something delicious. Or, I appreciate it, but I can't make it this time. Let's plan for another day. All right, before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to keep in mind when inviting someone out in English. Match the other person's energy. If they're being formal, you can be a bit more formal. If they're casual, go with the flow. Listen for common phrases. Pay attention to how people around you invite others out. It's the best way to learn. Practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to try these phrases in real life. The more you practice, the more natural they'll feel. Now, it's your turn. In the comments below, try using one of these phrases to invite me out. I'll reply to as many as I can. So let's get practicing. And that's it for today's lesson on how to invite someone out in casual English. Catch you in the next one. Cheers!